Saptarshi. So I'm currently working as a software engineer in IT company in Pune. So regarding Girish sir's course, it's a super awesome course, and he has explained in a very precise and clear and conceptual manner, in a practical way. So, I like the most, what I like the most about this course is he has explained the latest, about he has explained through the latest methods, like according to the policies and everything. So it's fresh out of market, and I personally joined this course because I am frustrated with my job and I want to start something of my own, in the digital field, because like, jobs are fine, but working in a job for a long time can be very hectic and frustrating. So, and I had a passion for digital field, so that's why I got into this, starting like my own digital ad agency. So it was very interesting and a very awesome course. And personally, I would suggest, like, if you are a beginner also, you can easily, like, by going through this course also, you will be in a road, you will be in such a road that you can start working on the first day itself after completing the course, once you get clients. So that level of confidence is given by this course. So, and apart from that, this course helped me to broaden my knowledge about digital field, and creating various types of things in this course. Girish sir had taught, and whatever he has taught me has benefited me in so much extent that I can now, like, at least know the idea, like starting my own agency, and what to do, how to, like, whatever, everything has been explained in a good manner. And moreover, the field of starting a digital ad agency is such a huge demand, because there are many local businesses today in this world, and if you can be of some use to them, if you can remove their problem, then go for it, like, I would suggest you. And the demand is in very high amount in these days, because local businesses want to get clients, and if you are the medium between local business and client, then it's an awesome thing, right? And this thing is in such a demand these days. And moreover, I would highly recommend anyone to join this course, because this course is different from other course in the sense it has practical approach, step by step approach. Whatever doubts you have can be cleared on spot, and you have the ability to a bright and aspiring career ahead. Thank you.